Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase, pricing, and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a lovely 39mm stainless steel Zenith Elite Classic, a beautifully proportioned traditional dress watch in an everyday friendly, durable material. It's a watch that embodies the best of Zenith. Not every Zenith is a chronograph, and not every Zenith needs to be complicated to be beautiful. This is a product of a true manufacturer, and by that I mean the movement is all theirs in a modern classic. The Elite, created as the first computer-designed Zenith movement back in the early 1990s, here does duty in three-hand form. Beautifully elegant with radially arrayed Roman numerals. You can see the watch is 47mm lug-to-lug, 9.7mm thick, 39 in diameter with a 20mm spacing in between the lugs. Now you can see on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference, it wears beautifully. No issues with clearance. The lugs are nowhere near the edge of my wrist. This watch would wear beautifully on a wrist as small as 14 centimeters circumference, and quite conveniently it will clear a tight sleeve or a cuff. Taking a look at the strap, you can see it's alligator leather, primarily large rectangular scale, black semi-gloss. It's got a monotone stitch and then a folded edge, and a little bit of bolstering to add some volume. On the bottom, rubber lined as modern Zenith straps are, to provide a supple feel against the skin, but also to protect the leather from moisture, sweat, heat, and grit of the wrist. We've got a simple Zenith branded stainless steel pin buckle with the company's Zenith 5-point star logo, and then rolling around the case you can see it is simple. We've got the star logo again on the crown. You can see on the reverse side of the watch, 50 meters water resistant, a little bit more than you'd expect of a standard dress watch. It's not a screw down crown though, so I don't recommend you swim with it, but I should mention that that is quite a bit more than the dress watch standard of 30, so it's just more peace of mind if the watch is splashed. You can see there's a two-tone, well, I wouldn't necessarily call it two-tone, two-texture is the better way to describe this case back, with a combination of a subtle media blast and high polish, making for a lovely contrast. The movement is the Zenith Elite automatic winding. I believe it's a unidirectional winder compared to the bidirectional of the El Primero. 50-hour power reserve. It features a high-grade balance and hairspring. You can see stop seconds, kiff shock protection, 27 joules, and a 50-hour reserve is quite reasonable for a dress watch with an automatic winder that you're going to wear every single day. We have a lovely round case with lugs broken out individually like a mid-century dress watch, and a boxed and cambered sapphire designed to evoke a vintage plexi. Dial side, we have a silver radially brushed metallic sunburst with stylized radially arrayed Roman numerals, leaf hands, beautifully extended leaf hands for the hours and minutes, lancet style, counterweighted seconds hand, and then the Zenith star. You could see the stop seconds function, so you know you could set this watch precisely to a reference time. There's not much to say. Along with the Jaeger-LeCoultre, Zenith is one of those really underrated, self-sufficient brands that dates back eons and was one of the first in the true manufacture game, whereby a company would actually make its movements and construct as much of the watch as possible under one roof. And I really do think Zenith is the equal of Jaeger-LeCoultre. It's just a bit more of an inside baseball brand name. So if you have the courage to do something a little bit different, wear a Zenith that's not a chronograph and a high-end luxury watch that's not Holy Trinity, JLC, or a chic independent, this is the watch for you. If you know, you know. Reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.